Probstats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 18 Thursday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. Okay, so today we're going to start on adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing bases other than 10. And so to start you guys off with a video here, since you're doing this at home, you guys can go ahead and just type in adding and subtracting bases other than 10 on YouTube, and you can really watch any of the videos here. They all have like a pretty good summary as to what you're expected to learn today. So then with that said, let's go ahead and jump into your white guided notes. So this is on 4.3. Your objective is as follows. And we're going to talk about adding and subtracting bases in 4. We're going to start off with adding, okay? So first things first. Looking at this part right here, you have 3, 4 plus 3, 4, which is going to give you 6 with a base of 10. Well, I don't want that base of 10. I need to convert to a base of 4. So then what you do in this situation is start off with a 1 times. This has to include the base of 4. So 1 times 4 plus, well, 1 times 4 is 4. So then how do I get to a 6? This last number has to be a 1. So this number, you got to think about 4 plus what number equals 6? Has to be a 2, okay? So then your answer is always going to be the first number of your signs. So in this situation, it's 1 and 2. So then what you have here is going to be 610 equals this, which is going to equal to 1, 2 with a base of 4. So then here, you're going to put a 2, 4, and carry the 1. And then you're going to focus on this piece right here. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 1, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 4, which is going to be 5, 10. And again, you're going to have to convert this one more time. So 1 times, you have to have a base of 4. So this must be a 4 because your base here is 4. Plus, then you're going to ask yourself, that number has to be 1. So here, 1 times 4 is 4. So then 4 plus what equals 5? And that has to be a 1. So then once again, you take the first number. And so your answer here is 11, 4. So then what is your answer for the final? Your finalized answer is going to be 1, 1, 2, 4. I know it's a little bit weird. It's different. So, but that's how you will convert it with addition. Go ahead and pause the video and you guys try this one here. Okay, so let's take a look at this one here. You have 2, 5 plus 4, 5. So 2 and 4 is going to give you a 6, but the base is converted back to 10. Okay, so I need to convert that base back into a base of 5, because remember, that's your base, which is 5. So I'm going to do 1 times a base of 5 plus that 1 has to be there. So you got to ask yourself, okay, what's this number then? Well, 1 times 5 is 5. So 5 plus 1 number equals 6. And that's 1. So then your answer here is the first 2 numbers here, which is going to be equal to 1, 1, 5. So you put 1, 5, and you carry the other 1. All right, now we're going to take a look on the left side. So the left side, you're going to have 1, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 5. 1, 3, 8. Okay, so we want to convert this again back into the base of 5s. So in order to do that, 1 times 5 plus 5 plus 1 gives me an 8. So 3 times 1. And so your answer is the 1 and the 3. And your base is 5. So 1, 3. 1, 5 is your answer. Okay, so now that we've done this, let's try subtraction a little bit. Okay. Before we do subtraction, I want you guys to try 1 and 2 on your own. So give that a try on your objective. Okay, let's take a look at example 3. Okay, so now we're going to be subtracting this. Okay, so looking at this right here, 1 is way too small, so I have to borrow. If I borrow, that becomes a 2, and given the fact that the base is 4, so your base is 4. Well, you have a 1 right here, so you have to do 4 plus this 1, so your new value is 5. 5 minus 2 is a 3. 4. And then you subtract it one more time. 2 minus 1 is a 1. So then that is your answer. So that was actually a little bit easier than addition. Now let's take a look at this one. So you're going to try this one. So pause the video and give it a try. So as you can tell, like 1 is way too small. So you have to borrow. That becomes a 3. And your base here is 5. So that 5 plus that 1 is a 6. So your new value here is a 6. 6 minus 3 is a 3. 5. 3 minus 2 is a 1. And that is your answer. Okay, so now I'm going to have you guys go ahead and try 4 and 5. Okay, so with number, let's try number 4 because that looks kind of difficult. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Subtract it, you get a 1, 2. This one is not enough, so we're gonna have to borrow. And if I borrow, that becomes a 10. Remember, your base is 2. So 0 plus 2 is just 2. 2 minus 1 is a 1. 10 minus 1 is a 9. So your answer is 9, 1, 1, and then 2. Same thing with number 5. So you have 5, 64, 8, minus 2, 36, 8. If I subtract this, it's not enough, so I borrow that, make that a 5. Keep in mind your base is 8, so plus the 4, you get a 12. So your new response or answer here is 12. 12 minus 6 is a 6. 8. 5 minus 3 is a 2. 5 minus 2 is a 3. So your answer is 326, 8. I'm not going to go over multiplication with you guys today because I feel like that's enough. So next, what I want you guys to do is to take a look at this part here. Here you have a variety of adding and subtracting numbers. I want you guys to go ahead and practice with this. And then when you're done with this, go ahead and take a look over to the right side on your career family work tree. And you're going to list the careers that your family have had, and then answer the following question. This is going to get you guys prepped for your project for this class. All right, you guys, as always, have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.